Hi everyone, back again with This is Scientific. Most people see animals more often when they are still alive than when they have died and become bones. Even though the skeletons of snakes and bats are really cool, here are some of the most unique skeletons that will be hard for you to believe. Everyone in the world definitely knows what snakes look like. They are long, big, and like to shed their skin in certain months. The problem is that there are still many who don't know that python skeletons are actually really scary. Here is the proof. Friends, you can see their skeletons, which is displayed on the laser, is 3.96 m long, and they are also known to have separate jaws that can eat their prey in just one bite. That's why their teeth are also known to be very sharp, so they can immediately kill their prey, so don't be surprised if usually livestock can disappear just like that after meeting this snake. Friends who like diving might not be surprised if they see stingrays in the ocean, but the actual skeleton of this animal is very different, because its skeleton is made of cartilage, not hard bones like other fish. This cartilage makes the stingray's skeleton very flexible and light, which allows them to move gracefully in the water. The pectoral fins of stingrays are very wide and flexible, which stretches like a wing. The tail area, apart from secreting poison, is also bony. Their teeth are also shaped like strong plates and can grind hard shells with it so easy. You definitely didn't expect it. It turns out that live or dead sharks are equally scary, because just look at the skeleton of this cool shark-type shark, with a straight spine from head to tail, eye frame that looks like it's about to pop out, a nose frame that is ready to poke people, and also the teeth are sharp. These teeth are arranged in several rows, and when the front teeth are broken, the teeth behind them will come forward to replace them. This structure allows the shark to always have sharp teeth and be ready to use them for hunting. You have to think twice if you want to go into the ocean. His skeleton alone is already scary, especially when he's still alive. Even though bullfrogs look bigger in size, when their bodies are actually dead and examined by a doctor, their skeletons are only small. Their bones are relatively light but strong, which allows bullfrogs to make extraordinary jumps high and far. Wrong. One of the most prominent features of the bullfrog's skeleton is its long, strong hind legs. When it was first discovered by researchers, they were a bit confused about finding out what type of skeleton this came from, but after some time, they finally succeeded in identifying it as a red fox. Even though it looked like their bones would be big, but they were actually small and the size of a person's palm as adults. The bones of their feet and hands also look very flexible because they are used to jumping around looking for prey like this. The definition of small cayenne pepper seems to have been won by this Egyptian fruit bat, because the bats that like to eat fruit at night really look small and very frail, even though they actually have the coolest wing skeletons, which are connected to 3 other bones and can spread out as long as possible. Then one of the most unique features of these bat skeletons is that their wings are actually made of very long finger bones and also thin skin that stretches between them. These finger bones give the bats extraordinary maneuverability in the air, legs, and feet. Their claws are very strong, which allows them to hang upside down from tree branches while resting or sleeping. From its face alone, the gibbon animal, or perhaps better known as the gibbon, looks like a monkey, but actually, after examining their bones, the gibbon has long arms that can be used to jump from one tree to another. Then the gibbon's spine is very flexible and consists of a series of vertebrae, which allows their body movements to be faster and more agile. After seeing the dolphin skeleton, it immediately appeared in my brain that God's creation was really cool, because for lay people it might be said that this dolphin bone is not complete because it is only this much, even though the original dolphin skeleton is indeed a bit hollow in parts tail, so that the body is lighter when traveling far under the sea. From the connection of the ribs to the spine alone it is elastic, thus allowing the bones to support their weight when diving. As one of the intelligent birds in the world, crows have adapted a lot while living on Earth. The proof is that you can just check their skeletons. It turns out their bones have various sizes that are not similar to each other and seem more flexible. The snout is also black. The problem is from ancient times until now, crow bones have often been associated with the supernatural world, where the bones are used as material for strange rituals, and there are only a few bones, and then they are stolen again and again. Poor thing. The cobra's skeleton consists of hundreds of vertebrae, where the bones are connected by muscles and ligaments that are so flexible. These long and numerous vertebrae also give them the ability to slither through narrow gaps and difficult-to-reach terrain. An adult cobra snake, in fact, they can have more than 300 vertebrae and ribs. Their skull bones are very strong and designed to be able to swallow much larger prey. But not only that, cobra snake teeth are very sharp and curved backwards, which will help them catch and hold prey. In addition, their canine teeth are connected to venom glands, which can inject poison into potential targets. That's it for today's video, and see you in the next video.